Hello, and welcome to Linux Academy's Amazon Web Services course titled AWS Concepts. I'm your instructor, Thomas Hazlitt, and this quick introduction video is going to discuss who I am, the purpose and goals of this course, as well as the topics that it will cover. So, a little bit about me, the instructor. My name is Thomas Hazlitt. I currently hold 3 AWS certifications, including the Solutions Architect Associate, SysOps Admin Associate, and Certified Developer Associate. I'm a full-time instructor at Linux Academy, and I have years of experience designing business applications and developing for virtual reality and Android. About this particular course, the name being AWS Concepts, so we're going to keep this very simple, and the purpose of this course is to provide an introduction to AWS and its core services. Now, I'm going to do this by using oversimplified examples to make the AWS concepts easy to learn and understand. This course is intended for the absolute beginner. No prior cloud or AWS experience is required. For course topics, in very simple terms, we will cover a high-level introduction to AWS and provide an introduction to AWS's main services and features, including VPCs, EC2, RDS, S3s, and AWS's global infrastructure, while also discussing some common uses for each of them. So that is a quick summary about myself, the purpose of this course, and the concepts and topics that will be covered. This is a free course offered on Udemy by linuxacademy.com, so feel free to hit the sign up button and take the journey with us as we start to explore Amazon Web Services. Thank you for watching.